Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your MapmyIndia developer account and requesting an API key. This gives you authenticated access. Once you have the key and secret, store them securely in environment variables or a secrets manager so they aren't hard-coded. Next, install the official SDK for your platform or prepare to call the REST endpoints with HTTPS. Make sure to set up a basic project and include the SDK client. This prepares your app to make authorized requests and prevents common auth errors. You will now authenticate and validate connectivity. Exchange your key and secret for an access token or sign requests as required. Then, make a simple geocoding or route API call and examine the JSON response to confirm expected fields like coordinates, status, and accuracy. Once done, implement retries and respect rate limit headers so your app degrades gracefully under load. Also, log responses and errors to troubleshoot mismatches between expected and return geometry, or you finish by integrating maps and services into your UI. Add map widgets, place markers from coordinates, and draw routes using SDK methods. Once integrated, optimize network usage by batching geocoding requests, caching frequent results, and choosing the right zoom to reduce tile loads. If something breaks, check your access token validity, ensure system clock is synchronized for signed requests, confirm quota and billing, and review console and server logs. Those steps will resolve most connectivity and data issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.